Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to change system font on iPhone after iOS 18 update. So for this purpose, first you need to open Settings app on your mobile device. Then in Settings, you need to scroll down and just simply click on General. In General, scroll down and here you can see the option of fonts. Tap on it. Once you tap on fonts, then these two options will pop up. Here click on System Fonts. In System Fonts, select any font that you want to apply. So here I have selected this one. Then the next step is go back to settings. Here click on this accessibility button. Then in accessibility you need to scroll down and here you have this button keyboards and typing. Tap on it. Then at the top you can see this hover typing option. Click on it. And then by tapping on this button you simply need to turn on this hover typing option. Then in text you have this font option. Click on it. Then from here select that font which you want to apply. So here I select this font. After selecting font, you can see here I write message and you can see this font will appear like this on my home page. Like here you can see once I type message, this same message will appear in this option in that font which I have selected. On iPhone after iOS 18 update, it's only way you can easily change system font. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.